So here, I got another product to unbox and review for you guys. So, don't think you can tell quite yet, but I am going to show you guys what this is and give you a little review on it. I'm going to open up the box, the container, just pull everything out. Maybe this will give you a little hint. Got some clips. Maybe this will be a little hint on what this is. All right, so straight out of the box, we have this bag, which contains holes, if you can hear them. We have this big, like, green canvas. And we also have 5 mini clips. So if you guys couldn't tell by now, this is a little setup for a green screen. So I will start by opening the bag to get all the pulls out. Let's get up. Got the green screen. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna do a little time lapse behind me and set this up for you guys. After, for some reason, not being smart, I figured out how to put up the green screen. So at the top of the green screen here, you can see that there are just the little mini clips that I showed earlier holding the thing on. Green screens are actually super easy to use. So I am gonna show you guys how to do that, but let me go grab my other light. So I'm not in the best setup right now to show the green screen because I'm in a very tight area. But what you will want to do is use your lighting to be behind you. So you see if I move super far back close to the screen, I get these lights on me that are meant to be lighting the green screen. And what's up here, the screen behind me is lit. These lights are lighting the green screen behind me, so it will be easy to take out the green screen in like one simple click. Let's do a test really quick to show you guys how easy this green screen is. This is my test. This is the green screen. It will be cutting out all my arms and all you will see is me. This green screen, it is not a product that I will use a ton. Create no background. As long as the color is not green, it will have a very great transparent background. And yeah, after I figured out what I was doing, it's super easy to set up. So yeah, I will put the link to this in my description. And if you guys are interested, feel free to go ahead and buy it. Let me know what you think.